Rick Grimes stands in front of a massive, futuristic factory floor filled with robotic arms, glowing screens, and half-assembled VR-046 Veritechs. The factory is bustling with activity. Rick is wearing a leather jacket, his signature hat, and a mic headset. The camera pans to reveal the company logo, to Bong Robotics, with the tagline, "Build your future one Veritech at a time." Alright folks, welcome to Bong Robotics, the most advanced Robotech factory in the galaxy. I'm Rick Grimes, and today we're taking you behind the scenes of where the magic happens. Now I know what you're thinking. Rick, what's a guy like you doing in a place like this? Well, let me tell you, when I heard about these VR-046 Veritechs, I had to see it for myself. And let me tell you, it's wild. But before we dive in, let me introduce you to the brains behind this operation. Our CEO, Nareau Rongorongo, named after the Kiribati god of creation, and let me tell you, this guy's living up to the name. Nareau, take it away. Cut to Nareau Rongorongo, a charismatic man in his 40s with a sharp suit and a confident smile. He's standing next to a sleek, fully assembled VR-46 Veritech. Thanks, Rick. Welcome, everyone, to Bong Robotics. We're not just building Veritechs here. We're building the future. And thanks to our venture capital partners, Tabakea Ventures and Nai Tituabin Holdings, we've been able to push the boundaries of what's possible. Now let me show you something truly special. This is the VR-46 Veritech, the most customizable mecha on the market. You can design your own from the comfort of your couch. Pick your color, armor, engine, cockpit, even the cup holders. Yes, we've got cup holders, because even in the heat of battle, you deserve a cold drink. Rick walks over to a massive screen displaying the company's website. The screen shows a 3D model of a VR-046 Veritech with customizable options. Alright, let's see this in action. So you go to tbongrobotics.com, and boom, you're in the driver's seat. First, you pick your color. I'm going with matte black, because, you know, I'm a man of mystery. Next, armor. You want heavy plating, lightweight stealth, or maybe the rebellion-resistant special, which, by the way, we'll get to in a minute. Now, engines. You've got your standard fusion core, or you can go all out with the Tabakea drive. Yeah, that's right, named after the Kiribati goddess of speed, because why go fast when you can go really fast? Cut to a flashback sequence. Rick narrates over footage of VR-046 dancer Cyclones battling rogue figure AI, Rick Grimes. Now, let me tell you a little story. A few months back, these rogue figure AI, Figure 02 gangs decided they wanted to take over the galaxy. Big mistake. Our VR-046 dancer Cyclones were deployed, and let me tell you, they didn't stand a chance. The VR-046s, they're sleek, they're fast, and they've got more firepower than a zombie horde on steroids. But here's the kicker. Those battles taught us something. We needed a mecha that wasn't just powerful, but customizable. Something that could adapt to any threat. And that's how the VR-046 Veritech was born. Back to the factory floor. Rick is now standing next to a fully customized VR-046 Veritech painted matte black with glowing red accents. And here it is, folks, my custom VR-046 Veritech. I call it the Reaper, because, well, you know, I've got a reputation to uphold. But here's the best part. You can do this too. Head over to tbongrobotics.com, design your own Veritech, and have it delivered straight to your doorstep. Or, you know, your secret underground lair. No judgment here. Nareau steps back into the frame holding a small model of a VR-046. And for a limited time, we're offering a special discount to our YouTube Live viewers. Use code RICKLIVES at checkout for 10% off your first order. Because if Rick Grimes says it's good, you know it's good. Rick grins and points at the camera. That's right, folks. So what are you waiting for? Head over to tbongrobotics.com, build your dream Veritech, and join the fight for the future. And remember, stay sharp, stay safe, and always keep your cup holders full. This is Rick Grimes, signing off. See you on the battlefield. The screen fades to black with the Bong Robotics logo and the tagline, "Build your future, one Veritech at a time."